Hi, my name's Des Turland. I'm Group Development Chef for Brand Hotels in the southwest of England. I look after 11 hotels and over 100 chefs, so it's really important for me to use the best available products. That's why I always look to Major. Fantastic products. And this recipe I'm going to show you next, barbecue and Fra Diavolo quesadilla, uses two of the major Mari bases. Barbecue to marinate the meat in, and the Fra Diavolo Mari base that gives it a superb flavour. Okay, so first of all, we need 4 tortillas. And this is going to do 2 portions. We've got some diced chicken, 1/4 pound of diced chicken. And we're going to marinate that in the barbecue Mari base. And for the barbecue Mari base, we just want 3/4 ounce of that. For the quesadillas, we're going to build them up and we're going to use Monterey Jack cheese, 2 ounces. Scallions, just 2 scallions, sliced at an angle. Cilantro adds a wonderful flavour. You want 2 teaspoons of cilantro. We've got Wisconsin cheddar, grated, 2 ounces. Spinach leaves, baby spinach leaves if you get them. Just pick them, pick the stalks off, wash them. And for that, we're going to be using about 12 spinach leaves. Okay, so first of all, we're going to take our cooked chicken just into a bowl. And we're just going to put that wonderful barbecue Mari base. You get that smoky flavour coming through. So just, what we want to do is just coat the chicken, evenly coat it. You know, I love this product. It's one of my favourite products. Absolutely fantastic. And this is going to add a real depth of flavour to your quesadilla. So we're not marinating this, we're just coating it. We're just allowing each piece of chicken just to take on that smoky, wonderful flavour. So we'll set that aside. So we're going to take our tortillas. And now we're going to take the Fra Diavolo Mari base. We just want 3/4 ounce of that. And we're just going to spread evenly over the tortillas. Just to allow, takes on a lovely, rich tomato flavour. We're going to take our Monterey Jack cheese. And again, we're just going to evenly spread this over the tortillas. This Monterey Jack will melt beautifully into the quesadilla. Now we're going to take our chicken, just coat it there in the barbecue Mari base. And again, we're going to just spread this evenly over the quesadilla. I love this, absolutely fantastic. Great as a starter, great as a main course if you want a whole one, or just great as snacking food. Superb. Just allowing it just to sit there on the cheese nicely. Okay, now we're going to take out scallions. And again, we're going to sprinkle our scallions just over the chicken. Finely chopped cilantro. Again, evenly over the quesadillas. Just sprinkle it over. Okay, now we're going to take our spinach leaves. These have been washed. If you've got any little stalks on, just pick the little stalks off. We're just going to lay these over the quesadilla. Using about 12 spinach leaves for each quesadilla. We're just going to just arrange them neatly. We're just going to sprinkle the Wisconsin cheddar over the top. And again, this will melt all in. Become an absolutely fantastic little snack. We're just going to top them off with the tortillas. And all we need to do, just place them on the top and just press down. Just press down neatly. All we need to do then is just fry them in a dry skillet, just for a couple of minutes each side, just so they're nicely browned. We're going to get our skillet warm, not hot. We don't want to scorch the tortillas. So we're just going to take our quesadilla and we're going to place it into the skillet. Press down, just so we can seal in all those flavours. What we want to do is make sure we don't get any leakage around the edges. Okay, once we've done it for 2 minutes on one side, we're just going to turn it over. We're just going to do exactly the same on the other side. About 2 minutes, allowing the cheese to melt. We've got a fantastic, superb quesadilla. So we're going to cut this into 4. Just gently cut through. Superb. And the cheese is now melting through there. Fantastic. Look at that. And then just onto a plate. Be fantastic. Served maybe with a little bit of salsa, a little bit of sour cream. Superb for a snack, main course, or just purely to indulge in. Okay, so here we've got our finished barbecue and Fra Diavolo quesadillas using 2 Mari bases. Firstly, the Fra Diavolo, which we just spread onto the bottom of the tortilla. And secondly, we used the barbecue Mari base. We coated the chicken in it to allow it to take on and develop smoky flavours. Superb, absolutely fantastic products, both of them, and I wouldn't be without them. As an alternative in this dish, try using piri piri Mari base. Gives it a real warmth of Mediterranean flavours.